Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get cheap data with 7 codes I'm going to be mentioning in this video. Okay, from MTN. So these codes, you're using them to get cheap data from MTN, only MTN network, all right? So if you're only showing ineligible, please, maybe your SIM card is new SIM card. This video are for those that are using MTN for a long time now, all right? So if this is the video you like to watch, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me show you these 7 codes you're going to be using to get MTN cheap data. And also you can check my other videos. I've dropped codes of Airtel network and Glow network. All right. So with that much being said, let's dive right in. So this is 7 MTN codes for cheap data. So the first one is star 121 hash. Then the first one, you have data for me, vast for me, and smart data. So you can go with number 1. So here you are getting 64 gigabytes for 11,000 naira. Wow. I think this is for business owners and those individuals that are interested in this particular offer. This is so beautiful. Second code is star 121 hash. Star 121 hash. And then let's choose number 3. This is what number 3 has to offer to us. The first one is 1 day offer. The second is 7 days offer, 14 days offer, and 30 days offer. So anyone you want to go with, you just choose the right number to choose the particular offer. The third code is star 312 star 100 hash. Star 312 star 100 hash. So yeah, you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gigabyte data bundle, and this offer is going to be valid for 30 days. So if you want this offer, you can just go with it. Okay, star 312 star 100 hash. Let's move on to the third code, which is star 312 star 88 hash. It says here you'll be charged 200 naira for this purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB, and this is a monthly plan. All right, so it's going to be lasting, I think, 30 days. So to proceed with this offer, you just go with it. All right, so moving on, let's check out our number 5 code, which is star 312 star 86 hash. Star 312 star 86 hash. So here you'll be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus another 75 MB, and this is a weekly plan. So if you want to go with this offer, you just go with it. I think it is very lovely too. So our number 6 code is star 312 star 87 hash. Star 312 star 87 hash. You will be charged 15 naira for this purchase of 200 MB plus another 200 MB. Guys, this is good. This is beautiful, and this is going to be lasting for 14 days, which is 2 weeks. So if you want to do a 2 weeks plan, you can go with this particular one and then just proceed with it. So now this is the final code for these 7 codes MTN cheap data. The 7th code is star 406 hash. So this particular offer, you're having 1.2 gig for 700, and then 90 live bundles. If you want to go with 90 live bundles, you can just click dial number 3, or if you want to do Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, the offers are here. And then 700 MB for 450, anyone you choose to. And then if you want to check your pause points, if you're using pause, if you're migrated to pause, you can go with number 7. And then if you want to join the pause, you can just dial number 1 and follow the procedures. I'm on pause network already, so I cannot dial number 1. If I dial number 1, I'm on pause, so I've migrated to pause already. So just go with number 1 if you want to join the pause network. All right, so these are all the offers. Let's come to the end of today's video. So that's all the codes that you can use to get the cheap data from MTN, the seven codes that I've mentioned in this video. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be dropping more updates. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.